welcome back to the Delpratt family.
So we're here at a Pyramid Point.
Yes, for another vlog. One more house tour, guys.
Yeah, this is like what, like 10 minutes or 8 minutes from
Ocho. Very close to Ocho Rios.
Literally, like we found it very easily.
It's a very nice community. The units are for $255 and $270,000 US dollars. All right, we're gonna do the calculation. All right.
It's great. Y'all will see all of the good stuff that we saw. Of course, they're gonna always carry what we see to you.
Right. So there are two bed and three bed options. All right. There will be 200 units. So phase one will have 100
units in each phases.
Yes.
Oh, and phase two will only be 300 three bedrooms.
That's how it go?
Yeah, phase two will only be 3 bedrooms.
Okay. Cool. All right. Yeah, guys.
So guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit that post notification button.
Yes,
all right?
That's important, guys.
Yes.
All right, so stay tuned, guys.
Want content quality, yes, on place I'd rather be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delpratt family, the Delpratt family, the Delpratt family, the Delpratt family, the Delpratt family.
Guys, this community is located on the beautiful Breadnut Hill, and we have a wonderful view of the ocean. And every resident can access this view from their rooftop. There are 2 units offered in this development. We have the Ruby, which is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath unit, and that includes 1,662 square feet. And we have the Aloma, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, with 1,367 square feet. Also included in this development are some awesome amenities. Of course, it will be a gated community with surveillance cameras surrounding the properties. You have included in the amenities Wi-Fi areas outside of the dwelling homes. We have clubhouse, fitness center, pool, gazebo, tennis court, kiddies play area, natural walkways. Oh, and we also noticed that the utilities are running underground and they have concrete roads. So it was a wonderful view, guys. Guys, the fans are standard and the AC. So you get fans and AC with this unit. This looks like a queen size set. Well, look at the closet. Like, I don't know if you can turn on.
Probably, yeah, no lighting is there, but it's a very nice closet, big size.
Yeah, you actually have a lot of space.
A lot of storage.
And you have drawers down there that you can use, and it is sectioned. So I actually like that. I like the sectioning, so you don't have to go ahead and put in a closet organizer afterwards. And then what I like as well is this. Come, I like how spacious the bathroom is. And this is the favorite part for me, the counter space. Yeah. So you can have up a nice little flowers over there. You can have a nice little tray right here. I want a gold tray with all my stuff in it that has nothing for Adrian. And of course you have a drawer that you can store all your makeup stuff. Again, nothing for Adrian. I don't think Adrian needs anything in the bathroom anyways. I don't have a bed and a sleeve. So, more space for the ladies, right? But then yeah, this is nice as well. Like, look.
Standard.
Nice, yeah.
Standard. How is this? I feel solid.
Yeah, it feels nice.
Standard bathroom fixtures and thing. Yep. Decent size shower.
Yeah.
Alright, you even have a little space there you can lay stuff on.
And this is especially good for Adrian. The window is directly above the toilet. Hopefully we can remember to keep the window open. Okay. But yeah.
Yeah, and this is also neat.
Yeah.
Towel hanger. A lot of the development actually don't come with simple thing like towel, like a multifunction towel hanger.
Yeah. Yeah, so
Yes.
I like.
And the living area. Again, the chandelier.
Oh yes.
Proper.
So guys, you actually get the chandeliers as well standard.
Mm-hmm.
So the chandeliers are standard, and it's an aluminum concept. So the same concept with the doors.
Right.
All the doors are aluminum.
Right. And they are, you know,
Doors and windows.
bifolding. Yeah.
Yes. And I like the fact that the doors actually open wide, so you can actually fit large furniture inside. Yeah.
Yes.
I like the height of the ceiling too.
True. Nice tray ceiling, eh? With recessed lighting.
Oh, so this is like
Modern.
a half bath right here?
Oh,
There's
nice.
an ensuite bathroom in each bedroom.
Nice, nice,
Plus we have a kitchen.
nice. Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Oh, and look, there's a little vent.
Yeah.
Very important.
Yeah. So when you switch on the light, you get the
Yes,
it comes on. Yeah.
And there's floor drains in every area that is prone to water. So for cleaning purposes
Yeah.
or for prevention method. For
Oh,
flooding,
nice,
Any overflow
nice,
of water.
nice, nice.
And it's dual flush underneath here. So when
Okay.
you use it.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
And it's dual flush toilets, dual flush meaning one but for solids, one for liquids. It uses less water than an average flush toilet.
Okay.
And it's
Cool.
closed.
Cool. So this is what a drain. This is for
Pots and pans.
Pots and
are
pans.
seasonal.
Oh, so y'all already have like organized spaces.
That's it.
That's so cool because all the time you have to, find and figure out how am I gonna
rain.
organize.
So rain show it already comes in.
Standard.
It's nice.
So the
Yes.
smell of the food or the heat won't leave
Yeah,
when you're
yeah.
in your house. It's stainless steel sinks with automatic faucets for the
Mm-hmm.
kitchen. So when you put your hand underneath it, it should come on.
This one?
Yes.
Oh.
But you get a handle with it just in case.
Okay.
And
Cool.
there's blinds at every window, so once you to eliminate the whole curtain aspect,
Yeah.
that's it.
Yeah.
And the
Nice.
blinds,
Nice.
the blinds are standard.
True.
standard.
True. So there's blinds all around. Yes. Yes. That's
But
nice.
you know what I like though? I like the storage space. And I'm big on
Search all
storage space though
over.
because you see once you move into a place, that's when you realize how limited the storage is.
Because you're
When
going to
you're
say, oh,
moving.
I want something to add here to put this or.
Yes.
We have a lot of
True.
storage.
True.
Yeah.
True.
So actually I like it. I like it.
Also, there's these, we consider these two houses as our test houses. That's
Mhm.
why the space here is not the same as here. It
Okay.
should be 36
Okay.
for both areas.
Okay.
But the other units will come
Yes.
with the right fitment.
Definitely.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. This is nice though. This is how you organize places. Look there, you guys. Like I like this.
Oh, cool. Close
Adrian.
it. Close it.
Like Adrian, can you like make me one of this or this one of this? No, I'm serious now. Like look, it glides.
Oh, so it accommodates the
Yes.
other square
It doesn't
piece.
stay open. We
Okay.
call it the magic corner or
Yeah.
all this.
So
Nice.
once you open it, it automatically slides out from that corner. Like I'm gonna show you. I want you to do it, alright?
Mhm.
That's so nice though. I like it. I like it. That is very
And we have one
creative.
for utensils, right?
Oh, a lot of yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Mhm. And this like plastic, eh? On the inside, yeah.
I like.
Nice.
Yeah.
Neat. You can open up top. Let's see how it works. Oh, yeah.
I think
So
that
like
is
this.
yeah.
Oh, cool. Yeah. Alright. So back
One
here.
bedroom.
Oh yes.
And either bedroom could be used as your master being that they offer the same thing.
Oh.
Ensuite bathrooms and walk-in closet areas.
Okay. But this has his or her.
Oh yeah.
The other one doesn't.
No, it doesn't. The other one is a glass range shower, so we put this with the tub.
Okay.
So I wanted to give you both options, a tub and a standing shower.
Oh, so you can choose.
No man, you get both of them.
So everyone comes with a tub and a
Yes.
shower.
That's
Okay.
Okay. Standing shower.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is an earth sink could come in handy, but I like the counter space
Mhm.
idea. You know? Yeah. Nice.
Yes.
And now I have the recessed lighting
Yes, we do.
onto the house.
Nice. And your closet.
Yes, sir.
Also, this is the same size closet as well
Mm-hmm.
as over the other side.
Yes, it is.
And again, I like the organization. So,
We have things for jewelry, for glasses.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
look at that.
Cool. Yep. Nice.
That's cool. You have a washroom?
Yes, we do. Our washroom is
Oh, see here? I like the thing too. The commercial.
Well, yeah, I've seated
Seat in the washing, right?
I like the
shelves,
space.
all of that.
Yes. Nice.
Yeah,
I have plenty of space for washer and dryer.
And this is where the exhaust pipe for the washer, for the water to come out.
Mm-hmm.
So it just needs to be cut.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Cool, and again, your blinds.
Yes, sir.
Good vibe, you know? Good vibe.
And to the 2-bedroom house, you can enclose your back patio. Just where the 2-bedroom has a back patio. So just in
Okay.
case you want to use your washroom area for something different than a washroom.
Oh, so you
because
can
it
put
has
the
so
wash
many space.
outside.
That's it. Being that you have so many space,
Yeah,
so much space
Right.
in the washroom.
right.
And if you do enclose it and decide to turn it in your washroom, it would be the same size as the 3-bedroom washroom area.
Mm-hmm. But that's the 3-bedroom next door.
Yes. So the 3-bedroom doesn't have a back patio.
Okay.
And this is
Standard.
as well.
And every house has a bordering wall.
Already installed. I like the width. I just wish I had more
To the back. And this
to the back.
Nice, nice.
But I like it. I mean, being that we can't really do much, you know, but we could always
Have a barbecue.
have your stuff.
And we have a tennis court, we have a fitness center, mini mart, a kids daycare center. We have a massive kids play area with a huge slide. We have community gazebo access, community Wi-Fi access, concrete
Throughout
roads.
the community Wi-Fi access.
Throughout. So
That's-
just in case
that's
you
new.
want
That's
to,
new.
just in case you want to study outside of your house.
Yeah, you have the Wi-Fi, the community Wi-Fi access. And what's the association fee? We call it maintenance fee.
$10,000 monthly.
Only 10,000. That's not bad. Reasonable price.
Covers all of that. 24-hour
Yeah.
security, everything.
That's nice.
I have a question. So I can see the water, and you mentioned that you can put stuff on.
A wooden
you can
staircase to the back of your house to go on top where you can put your gazebo chairs or a gazebo once it's not a living area and it's your room.
So the further down on this property, what is the view? Is it like a hill?
It's Ocho Rios and the sea.
Mm-hmm.
Ocho Rios, Harrison Town, Great Pond.
Nice.
And we are not putting a house there, we're putting all the common areas along that.
Oh, to that side.
but
Yeah.
And
Just in case
observe
you
that
don't
area.
decide to go on top to get the view,
Yeah, you can go down. Yeah, yeah, it's cool.
Okay.
Alright, so this is model unit number 2 as what is states there. This is the three bed,
Very
3 bath. And again, aluminum doors and windows.
I like the face already.
Yeah, very similar to the other one. It's just that the other room go back a little. Okay.
And there's more space for the living and dining, bedrooms and kitchen areas. And there's a side door here, and this is for emergency exit.
Oh, this side door.
That's it. So we plan to put a ramp to the outside of the door. So just in case, God forbid, if there's any accidents in the house and you need to use a wheelchair, you don't have to climb the steps right here. There will be a
Okay,
ramp.
okay, very thoughtful. Yes.
The kitchen appears to be bigger.
Yes, it is bigger. We have a more
Oh,
space.
okay. So it's not just space to the back, but it's actually bigger, you know, otherwise.
The 2-bedroom is more narrow.
Yeah, I get
that's
you.
true,
Yes.
that's true. So the first bedroom is right here. Is there a bigger, the 2 bedrooms are still the same size?
The bedrooms are bigger.
Bedrooms are bigger. Oh, so you can actually have a king. This is a king set.
That's a king
Oh,
size.
yeah, it is bigger. This is a king set, yeah.
You can actually accommodate a chair if you rearrange the furniture. And you can have a little lounge chair.
Yeah, man, this is bigger because the other one had a queen, and yeah,
Bathroom had a king.
Yeah.
and shower, and, you know. Yes.
I like the stories that you get. The cover here,
Back bedroom.
colors are the same.
But you love the closet in the back bedroom for the 3 bedroom.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so it's still 3.5 bathrooms with a half bath right here.
Okay, yeah. Yep. Bathroom again.
And this is what our closet area looks like in the 2 back bedrooms.
Okay. The glass, one big wide glass.
And there's storage space
There
there.
you go.
There,
Cool.
and storage at the top. Soft closed drawers here.
Nice.
I do like it.
And our ensuite bathroom. So there's an ensuite in every bedroom.
Wow, that's cool.
And the AC comes with the house, just as our ceiling fans.
Most don't come with the AC. Most other developments don't come with the AC. Yeah, you have to pay extra for ceiling fan in most other developments.
True. So true.
Add up.
Yeah,
Add
it's
up.
true. That because you know those small things do add up over time.
Again, look at the ceiling. The tray ceiling with the recess. You know, modern
And you're seeing
style.
a bath in this bathroom instead of a standing shower.
Yes.
And then we have our counter space, which y'all know I love. Counter space. That's a very big thing.
And our washroom. So I was telling you earlier that if you do enclose your back patio on the 2 bedroom house, it will be the same size as the washroom on this house.
Okay.
And you're seeing that.
I get you. Yes.
It is the same size.
Okay.
And again, outside. Yeah, so this area here become part of the outdoor patio.
Yeah, some stuff from Campbell.
See the workmen down there working. Workmen and women. These days they can't even say workmen, you know, you have to include all gender because we have women who work for house now. Because see a lady there, a nice lady up top there do her thing.
We have a lady masons, show along persons are
Yeah,
lovely ladies.
yeah.
And they're doing a great job.
Yes. Yeah guys, so we hope you enjoyed that tour just now. Alright, so we'll be leaving the information for the developer, their website, in the description. Alright, so thanks for watching. Alright,
Bye guys.
do remember to subscribe to our channel guys and hit that post notification bell, and
Give us a thumbs up.
alright, yeah guys, so thank you, peace out
Bye.
guys.